Well, everybody, today we're just going to do something extremely simple, and we're going to use what I've been using in my past videos, the good old-fashioned grade finder outer. And as you know, up till now we have a test 1, a test 2, and a test 3, and we've taken the average of them. Here what we want to do is do the tab order. So if you've ever been on a web page or used an app on the PC and other places, you always have this ability to tab. So if I click on the keystroke tab, which is right by the Q, it should go, as you can see, to the first one. Then it goes to the second one. Then it goes to the third one. And then to compute, which is kind of a great natural progression. But here's the problem. You may not have set this up this way. So those of you who've made this may not have got this tab order correctly. It might go from test 1 to test 3 to test 2 to compute. The best way to fix this, and it's real simple in Visual Studio, is that you are going to go up to View and then Tab Order. And as you can see, these numbers directly correspond. And as you can see, when I tabbed out of one, actually the first button that was active was the compute. And actually sometimes that's not a bad thing to do. Have the button be the active one in the beginning. But then it should go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now why didn't it do that for mine? Well, because labels it doesn't a lot of times stick on. But let's make this wacky the first time off. So I'm going to do 8, 3, 5, yeah, and we're going to do this until all those blue blocks go to white and then back to blocked in blue again. Now as you can see, it should start off at this label, then go to here, then go to here, and then go to this label. So let's go ahead and hit start. Again, it skips over the labels because those aren't editable labels. If we made them editable labels, it would stay there and you can allow it. Now watch what hits when I hit the tab. Since this is 1, it should jump down to here. And then when I hit it again, it goes up to here because 6 is less than 8. And lastly, it should go back to 8. So again, to fix this, I always say, you know, start from the beginning. You don't have to. Actually, it's pretty forgiving. But, oops, I'm going back into. But let's think about where you want to start. And I want to start up here at the label. I know we said it's going to skip over this label, but I like that idea. And then I'm going to go left to right, top to bottom to make it make sense. Again, like I said earlier, the compute button might not necessarily be the worst one to start off with because that is essentially the most active presence there. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit start again, and that should have fixed it. Tab starts, in this case, as you can see, the blink happens right away, the blinking cursor, because it's already tabbed up first. Then it's going to tab to the second box, third box, compute, and start back over again like an odometer. Pretty handy.